In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Evernote on your laptop. Whether you're using a Windows or Mac OS system, I'll guide you through each step to ensure that installation is a breeze. To begin, what you need to do is visit the official Evernote download page. This is an essential step because downloading the software from the official site ensures that you're getting the most secure and up-to-date version. Plus, you avoid any potential issues related to downloading from unofficial sources. Once you're on the Evernote download page, you'll see options for different operating systems. Evernote knows that not all systems are created equal, so they've made it simple by providing specific download options tailored for your device. If you're using a Windows laptop, you'll want to click on the Download for Windows button. For those on a Mac, the option you'll go for is Download for Mac. Clicking on these buttons will automatically start the download process for the installer file. Depending on your internet connection speed, this might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, you'll find the installer file in your computer's designated Downloads folder. And there you have it. Evernote is now on its way to being installed on your laptop, ready to help you organize notes, lists, and so much more efficiently. If any pop-ups appear asking for permission during the install process, make sure to click Allow or Yes to proceed smoothly. Sometimes, the installation process might prompt you to check for any software updates to ensure everything runs perfectly. It's always good practice to follow through with these recommendations. This process is geared towards making Evernote easily accessible on your laptop, whether you're looking to take notes for personal use, manage projects, or collaborate with others. The installation not only invites you to explore the newest features of Evernote, but also assures you that your data remains safe and managed effectively with regular updates. And that's it, folks. You've successfully learned how to download Evernote to your laptop, setting you up for improved productivity and organization. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for even more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital tools. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing with Evernote.